It's 2018 in Douglas County.
He drew that AR on me.
Austin Benson's accused of random shootings and charged with attempted murder. But he was mentally incompetent to stand trial, meaning he couldn't understand the proceedings or assist in his own defense. And by law, a judge had to dismiss the case.
Pretty chaotic scene tonight.
Fast forward to 2024. 3 people shot. Austin Benson again charged with attempted murder. And again, he's incompetent and the case will be dropped. But now, Arapahoe County prosecutors are working to make sure he's not put back out on the streets.
Some people are not going to get better. They're going to need to be in a care setting for the rest of their life. And we have to acknowledge that.
State Senator Judy Amabile, a Boulder Democrat, sponsored a new law aimed at people like Austin Benson. Here's how it works. In a case like this, prosecutors file a motion to have the person committed to a secure mental health facility, such as the state hospital in Pueblo. The judge then holds a trial. Prosecutors have the burden of convincing the judge the person poses serious danger to themselves or others. The judge can order the person's commitment if the evidence is clear and convincing.
This is a very small number of people who we're trying to address with this bill. But nonetheless, these people are capable of doing great harm.
The judge in Benson's case has scheduled a 2-day trial in September. There is another case in Adams County involving a man accused of a 2020 murder. A judge is holding a series of hearings there to determine whether he meets the criteria. In other words, that he's been determined to be incompetent and it's unlikely further treatment will change that. If that happens, as is expected, prosecutors there plan to invoke this law and attempt to convince the judge he should be committed to a locked mental health center.